welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can view your friend's profile in Roblox. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to hover over their avatar, like this one. So this person's name is Suburb, and they're currently playing slap battles, and you can join with them by pressing the join button. And you can either chat with them or view their profile here. So I'm just going to press view profile. And so this is their sort of about their bio. Hello, I like fighting games, but I do not excel in these games. I usually have full friends, so I might not friend you. Anyways, why are you here? You can also create an alliance for them, and only you can see this information. So for instance, you want their alliance to be friend, you can save it as that, but you can like delete it. I'm just going to delete it. And you can view like how many friends they have, followers, and their following too, and their creations too. And you can unfriend them here if you want. And you can also see what they are currently wearing. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!